Hello, welcome back. So today I visited the Lego store to see the new sets. So this is the biggest Lego store in Korea. So as you can see, we have the K-pop Demon Hunters over here, which is very nice. And there's these minifigures, new minifigures this year as well. And this is where you can make your own minifigures, which is very nice. There's a lot of displays around here. As you can see, there's also city sets and also Ninjago sets, like big Ninjago sets, a lot of them. And this is also where you can make your own minifigures. There's also Duplo sets. I think this house looks very nice. Yeah, it's very big. So there's the house, and this turtle is also new, right? There's also a bird. I think those dolphins look really pretty. There's also Gabby's dollhouse sets and also Disney sets. It all looks so nice. And this one looks very nice, like the frozen castle. There's like some rides around it, so I think it's really nice. So small Disney sets, and of course we also have Friends sets over here, a lot of them. I think we have almost every Friends sets here except for the Horse Academy set. The Horse Academy set, I never saw that offline. I mean, yeah, offline. I only saw it online, of course. Look at that! Oh, this Unicorn Drink Cafe looks really nice too. It all looks so amazing. And over here, there's the garden restaurant, and there's also Leanne's room and Leanne's house, not room. And look, this is how it's gonna look like when Leanne's house is finished. It looks amazing. It's so pretty. And this is where they can, like make your own Lego. And there's also like new sets over here, like those lovebirds. I think they were like lovebirds. Those are also new. And there's also like Peace Lily. I think that one is also new, right? There's also city sets over here. The fun thing about the city sets this year is that we have like these sets that where like babies drive the car. So I think that's like kind of weird, but anyway, there's also pick and build and some lots of displays around here, and I think it looks really nice. Look, the Friends corner is quite big, and this is the baby car that I told you about. I think it's kind of strange, like babies driving the cars. Anyway, so this is the end of the video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.